Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video today I'm just going to show you guys how I make my buttermilk whenever I want to bake and I realize I ran out of buttermilk. So this is really easy and very simple. Anyway, so you're going to have to make sure you have milk. There's no way you can make buttermilk without milk. So if you don't have milk, then just go buy. There is no solution to that. But if you have milk and you don't have buttermilk, and for example you're trying to make a red velvet cake or a fruit cake, basically a cake that needs an acidic content, yeah, so this is what you are going to do. So you're going to be needing a cup of milk, and to that you're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Any kind of vinegar will do except rice vinegar. I don't think rice vinegar works as well because I've tried it before and it didn't give me the result I was looking for, and maybe it was a milk or what, I don't know what it was, but I don't think rice vinegar works as well. Okay, so to your bowl you want to have, of course you want to have a measuring scale so you'll be able to measure properly, especially the milk. So you want to add the milk to a bowl, and then add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Usually apple cider vinegar or just regular white vinegar works fine. So you just want to add that, and you don't want to stir it. Don't stir it at all, and then just leave it for a couple of hours. Usually if you leave this for 2-3 hours, that will be ideal, but sometimes some people use it immediately, which is okay. For this today I'm making 2 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, so for most people, like, they'll use it immediately, but I prefer to leave it for a couple of hours so we can come to room temperature, because that way it gets a little bit thicker. The longer you leave it, the thicker it gets. And don't leave it in the fridge, just leave it on your table counter and then come back in 1 hour or 2. So that way you have buttermilk to use for your baking it. Okay, so this was the buttermilk after about 30 minutes, and I couldn't wait any longer because I needed to bake my cake so it cool on time so I could ice it. So this was buttermilk. If you leave it for a lot longer, it gets thicker, and the vinegar gets to work on the milk a little longer. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.